anong nangyayari sa atin? We are paying our taxes. Saan napupunta ang mga buwis natin? Instead of opening up the Blue Ribbon Committee on the flood control, kung saan nawawala ang trilyon-trilyon nating pera, ano ang priority ng administration ngayon? Yung impeachment ng Vice President. Because we all know, pag hindi nila matatanggal ang Vice President ngayon, hindi sila makalagay ng presidente nila on the 2028 elections because he is a great threat sa presidency this 2028. Now, I go back. Tingnan nyo, the unitary system of government, presidential one. They have so much control and so much power, and that is centralized right now, kaya nangyayari sa atin to. The president can threaten anyone. Tingnan nyo, walang natitira. Dalawa nating senador, isa nating senador, kinulong nila. Our guest candidate during the midterm elections, Rodante Marcoleta, just because he wants to open the Blue Ribbon Committee on Flood Control, anong ginawa sa kanya? Do we even have freedom at all at this point dito sa bansa natin? The former president, nasan ngayon? He's in The Hague. He's in the ICC. And clearly, walang jurisdiction. We know the process and they broke the process. And mind you, this is an establishment that should be an honorable one. And yet, they move like syndicates. They have cooperated with the president who moves like a syndicate. Papayag kayo na ganito na lang tayo? We have to do our duty and responsibility for our country. All of us members of this party will not have an ambition of his own. And our collective ambition is to lift this country up from all of this corruption, from all of this evilness that is happening to our country right now. This should stop right now in the 2028 elections.